What is this plaza called? This plaza, what is it called?
Waikiki Market.
Okay, it's at Waikiki Market, and if you guys are hungry, oh my God, look, they have all kind of food in here. Let me show you. Right here. We got all food over here. Look at all the stuff. Look at all this sushi. Wow. More food. And the selection of their poke is amazing. Look at that. Wow, what a selection. They have also local plates. So you guys want some rice plates? Man, they have rice plates and everything. But we have some more food over here. And you can also buy some special. It's like almost like a market, but it is really awesome because the food is amazing. And there's a section of hot food over here too. That man. Got bread over here. And you guys want some pizza. There's also pizza here too. Man, but these look oh. And like I say, it's like a little grocery store over here.
Some drinks, honey? Or this one? It's a garlic.
You try it.
I did. It's good.
Mm.
What do you think? Yeah? How about this one? Which one's better?
I like that one.
You like that one?
Here. I like that one. The sauce is
I
good.
like this one better.
No?
Yeah, I like that one.
What are you getting?
Getting a Pokeball is so big. Any sauce for you?
That's gonna look good.
We have the spicy mayo. The spicy mayo. Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that should be it. Actually, no, that's two.
Toppings for you?
Yeah.
Saucy stuff like this.
Do you
Some
want
dry onion?
fried onions?
Yeah. But I should be good. That's good.
Alright, what do we have here? So we end up getting some sushi, California roll, Kaylin's favorite. And they got the kimchi mac and cheese. I never heard of that. And they got the spam and sticky rice. And this guy also has, what is this? Spicy California roll. And you end up getting your poke bowl. And I got my chow mein. I've been craving for some chow mein. But they, unfortunately, there's no hot sauce or anything, but let's try it. Let me try my chow mein that I've been craving for. Not bad. Has a little sweet taste to it. Bless you.
So you're gonna have to help me with my poke, honey. It is
I will help
big.
everybody. I'm the slice saver when it comes to
It's
eating.
a lot of sushi. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, my love.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. So nice of you. How is it?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's kimchi. Let me
about you,
see.
Katie?
What about you, Kate? Let me see you eat it. I didn't see you eat it. Oh, too bad. I'll wait. I'll wait for your next round, okay?
I'm gonna try the spam.
All right, what about you?
Oh my god, this. Guess what this is? Scallop.
Let's try
So
it.
big, baby stuff.
Ooh, that face.
It's so good.
Mm.
You wanna try it? It's so good.
Damn, you killed it, girl.
Wow.
You like that? Well, put it in.
Wait, try the baby scallop. It's so good. You cannot have this in back home. So good, so fresh.
Wow. The sauce.
The sauce is amazing.
Daddy, next to.
Overall, the food's good. The sushi's a little dry. Let me try this one.
That's just a roll.
I know.
They should have got the fish roll. That would have been more fresh.
Owie.
You don't like your
No,
mac and
another
cheese?
owie.
Eat your mac and cheese. How's this one better?
The rice is just a little dry, and I think it's left in the cold too long. The spam rice bomb.
Sam, you like the Sam?
That's bomb. This is bomb. Spam has a little sweet taste to it. I love it. And the rice balances it out.
There was a Spam with like other toppings. Honey, you gotta help me. We cannot leave this anywhere.
Well,
It's gonna go bad.
overall, I like this place. Especially if you have kids, because kids sometimes they want specific type of food. So this place, they have a variety of different types. So because of that, they can pick their own selection.
This time we're only eating street food, no restaurants.
Yeah.
Too hard.
We don't go to the restaurant because with the kids, they piss me off at the restaurant. So I don't enjoy my food. But this place is out in the open. If they want to run around, they can run around. If they want to jump off the building, they can do that if they want. So I'm not going to stop them. That's their choice, you know? Nowadays, you want the kids to make their own decision, right? So that's their choice. If they want to jump off the bridge, that's their choice. Just kidding, guys. Don't go and do that, please.
Okay. Oh,
Anyways, yep, this is called Waikiki Market. It's like second floor. It's a market with food in it. But other than that, thank you for watching. Oh, that is disgusting. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Peace.